Israel remains deeply concerned about the overall human rights situation in Pakistan, where enforced disappearances, torture, crackdowns on peaceful protests, and violence against religious minorities and other marginalized groups remain prevalent. In this regard, Israel is disappointed that all its recommendations were made during the Pakistan's fourth review were noted. Israel believes that it is essential that Pakistan heed our recommendations to take all appropriate steps to prevent arbitrary arrest, torture and other ill treatment, and bring perpetrators of such acts to justice and end the widespread use of death penalty, especially against children and persons with disabilities. Israel also urges Pakistan to decriminalize same-sex activities in accordance with international human rights standards and to adopt comprehensive anti-discrimination legislation that addresses discrimination, including based on sexual orientation and gender identity. Israel is also concerned that in January 2023, Pakistan's National Assembly passed a vote to tighten its blasphemy laws, which are often used to target and persecute religious and other minority groups. I thank you.